Not sure where to go, or what to see? Then, let's explore Maragogi. Keep watching and we'll show you the top self-guided day plan so that you can see the best attractions at your own pace, for free. We'll also show you the best time to travel here. Save time and money by rolling with Tour Bird Buddy. We do all the hard work for you. To explore more cities, be sure to subscribe. Awesome, let's roll. This tour is best if you only have a day. At 3 hours, this is a morning or afternoon tour. Expansive beach with coconut palms and a variety of eateries and equipment rental facilities. Move on to Praia Barra Grande. Beach at the tip of a peninsula, near a quaint, remote fishing village with eateries and simple inns. Then on to Praia Peroba. Relaxed sandy beach with calm seas for swimming and water sports, plus several bars and restaurants. The most popular travel time in Maragogi is January. Yearly events. Carnival celebrations is in February and March. Check the video description below for weather tips, more events and links to rewatch a day plan. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you always go the best way for the best day. Oh, and for more help planning your trip, check the links in the video description below.